Welcome, in front of me I have Nokia 216 and today I will show you how you can insert SIM cards and also the SD card, the memory card. So at the first, let's grab your Nokia like that, then rotate to the bottom, and we have to put our fingernail between these two parts, just like that. And after that we can move it from the both sides. Okay, this one, and then go for another one. And right now we can remove. Next we have to remove battery, so put your finger here, take it off. At the first we can input battery here, I mean the SD card, memory card. So we have to put it just like that, in this position, in this place. Okay, right now it jumps on the place, and right now we can input SIM card, the first one, in this position. Oh, it just jumps off the tray, so let me just put it aside. Okay, so we have to simply press here and then push it just like that. As you can see right now it's inside, and then we can go for another one. So in the same position like that, with this characteristical part at the bottom. Okay, it's happened another time, so I have to put it back. As you can see, it's not that easy. Okay, let's try again. And then press. Okay, and there it is. Next we have to input our battery and the back cover. And right now we can turn on our device by pressing this button. And right now we have to input PIN code for both SIM cards. In my case it's very common, 1, 2, 3 and 4 for the both SIM cards. And next we can set up hour and the date. You can also go back and you are able to use your device. So that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.